Hey everybody, this is J-Boy579 giving y'all a quick look at the 27 Gen 4 and the Glock 30 Gen 4 together. Just a little comparison, somewhat anyway. I got the XS big dot sights on that 30 now, so been testing those out. I like them. They're alright. Takes a little, I can't say to get used to, but to master the placement of these sights at the different distances takes some practice. But these are them here. I got the beaver tail on this 27. I did order the beaver tail for my 30 as well, so that should be here anytime. Well, not anytime soon, because Corey at Glock said the current lead time is about 4 weeks or 5 weeks for me to get my order, any parts orders in. So, oh, and I also found a plug for my 30. It's actually on glockmeister.com. It's listed for the 21 and the 20, but as y'all can see, it fits. It's not like exact or anything, but it fits and it ain't gonna fall out, so it works. Everybody knows it's just a personal preference, and for looks it doesn't really serve a whole lot of purpose. But y'all seen these already. I was just trying to give y'all a quick. It doesn't really help too much to do that. Height wise, both with flush magazines, you get it there. Camera back. You get it about there. Height wise, back to back, you only got, I'd say, about a ½ an inch or 3/4, if that, more on the 30. Everything else seems to pretty much line up here. Of course, you got the rail on the 30 that the 27 doesn't have, but everything else, man, it seems pretty close. The 30, of course, is a bit bulkier and heavier, but it's just something you have to decide for yourself. But here they go. Glock 30 Gen 4, Glock 27 Gen 4. That's my dog hearing somebody else. Catch you later, guys.